The question is, why is souring of milk a chemical change? The souring means the change in the taste of milk. Okay, usually the milk doesn't taste sour. It basically tend to taste a little bit sweeter, I can say, because of the presence of a sugar in it. But when it convert itself into a sour, so there is some chemical change that is taking place. So why that is a chemical change? So as I said, there is some sugar present in the milk which is called lactose, which is a form of sugar that is generally found in milk. And what happens, that milk also includes some bacteria called lactobacillus, which is very specific to the milk, because this lactobacillus consuming this sugar lactose, and that is why they are there. So these bacteria which is there are bacteria that are completely normal to be found in milk, and they do not cause any harm. They are basically helpful, I can say. So there are good bacteria, there are bad bacteria. So this you can consider it as a good bacteria. So as milk begins to turn sour, so these lactobacillus bacteria begin turning the lactose sugars found in the milk into a form of energy. And that is why milk products are very much useful, because if you just increase the number of lactobacillus, it will give you something very different product, and something which is also very useful for us as well. So here what happens is, this lactose sugar is converted by this lactobacillus bacteria into the form of energy, which is nothing but there is a conversion of lactic acid, okay, or the formation of lactic acid, I can say, which is generated as a byproduct of this energy production. Means the lactose has been utilized now and converted into the lactic acid. So now there is not only the energy formation, but the lactic acid also. And this lactic acid is the reason which is causing this change in the taste, because acids taste sour. So that is why the milk also starts tasting sour. And at the end, what you are ended up getting is the curd, because if the lactic acid starts forming, it is the curd that is formed. So milk turning into a sour form is fact a chemical process is there, because the new compounds are forming. That is why you have this completely different taste. Okay, because the lactic acid has been formed. So in a normal milk, when you have got the milk, it has the lactose. But now at the end, so lactose is little bit sugar, as I can say. Now you have the lactic acid. And the more you change your products, okay, I mean this end product, the more you are ended up getting different products also. So you might get curd, you might get milk, you might get the butter also from the same milk. Okay, you might get cheese also from the same milk. So depending upon the chemical reaction and what exactly you are doing with it, you can get a different product. So therefore milk souring is a chemical transition or a chemical change, because it's ended up forming a new product, that is lactic acid, hence leaving the milk sour. So this is like a basic criteria of a chemical reaction or a chemical change that one should remember. I hope this answer will help you. Thank you.